This is my hot rod power stroke, a little over 700 horse on the dyno. And I put some big hybrid injectors in it last fall. And I am feeling a bit of a pulse at wide open throttle. And I suspect that the wide open solenoid in the injector, one of the injectors, is acting up. So doing a simple cylinder balance test won't tell us anything, right? So what we're going to do is do an injector buzz test. And there's two ways you can do this. The way I'm going to do it is we are going to send a quick pulse of juice to the actuator in the injector, tricking it into thinking wide open throttle. And we want to hear every single one of these solenoids open wide open. And we'll hear that with a click. So let's do that now. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. One missing. So what'd you guys get? Cylinder 5, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see what it says. Cylinder 5. So let's make sure we don't have a harness issue. So I'm going to switch cylinder 4 and cylinder 5 in the harness. And we'll rerun the test. Okay, we got them switched. Let's eliminate that harness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So now we know that the harness is good. We're getting voltage delivered, wide open voltage delivered to the injectors. The reason why you want to do this is because it's very difficult, that you got to pull these high pressure rails out to even get access to the injectors on both sides of the engine. So I suspect I'm going to find I got a burnt coil in this injector or something. But stay tuned and we'll go for a test drive. Pick that place up cheap. Mopars right there. That Roadrunner. That Roadrunner right there. Been here for, God, I know, 19 years without moving. It wasn't that bad a shape when we first moved here. It's pretty bad now. Move a trailer anywhere, they say. I bet he will too. I've had him tow a couple cars for me, and I was actually impressed because he's one of the few guys that was willing to back it right in on the rack for me. You know, a lot of them guys are too chicken to do that. Everything's real close, and it's uphill and everything.